it's me, Asawang Filipina, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, this is our outfit for today. Wearing high heels for driving. So everyone, we're gonna drive today on the way home. So I have a friend here and they're saying hi to me like wow. So there's the three guys like shouting like hi. So they're just there for peeing. Hi everyone, Asawang Filipina here. So we're gonna drive these shoes for today's driving, and okay, enjoy the view and enjoy watching. Hi everyone, so we're approaching to uphill this time, and it is very intense driving, but it was fun because the road is wide. And then we're still using these brown shoes, and it's very comfortable to the feet. Only it's a bit bigger a bit. But then okay, we're gonna use the speedometer this time. So I have to use the speedometer. So here we are. Have to stick in here because my akin is low bat. So starting, and then we have to use the camera now. So it's another video for these hills because it's really beautiful, this one. So okay, foot brake from drive, blinker left. So here, press the pedal. Go. Check first. Neutral drive. Break. So this is our market. You gonna show me? Apila ni?
45. 45.
So this is our market. Fresh and clean. Hi again everyone. So I'm done shopping here in the market, and after here I'm gonna drive to the city mall. Well, come with me, or then later on I'm gonna drive back to the mountain. So it's a mountain driving today. So I'm here at Watson. Okay, full tank. So pila yung gasolina?
80.80.
Ah, okay. It's cheaper here, 80.80 pesos 1 liter. So I'll do gas first, then after this one we're gonna drive back to the mountain. Left, left. we go. Let's go uphill, and this is fun. So try up to lower gear and let's climb. That will be all for today's video, and then see you next vlog. Bye.
And people are talking too much.